Hello and welcome to another episode of Kajabi in 5 minutes. Today, I'm going to be talking about Kajabi's new evolved Kickstarter plan. And the Kickstarter plan is a great plan. If you are new to Kajabi and new to starting your business or to bringing it online, maybe just bringing an aspect of your business online, the Kickstarter plan could really be the answer for you. Now, with the new updates that Kajabi made when they announced their new Kajabi Evolve, the Kickstarter plan actually changed the least, which is all right. And I'm still happy to talk about it because it's such a great plan. So the pricing is still the same, $89 a month or equivalent of $71 a month if you're paying annually. Really, the only thing that changed is now you get unlimited marketing emails and you get unlimited access groups in your community. And so other than that, the plan has stayed the same. Now, Kajabi's other plans changed quite a bit, but the Kickstarter, it was just really good in the first place. Kajabi introduced the Kickstarter plan earlier this year, and so it already was really fresh and in line with Kajabi's realignment, really, is what they're doing. It's a strategic realignment to just hone in on the creator industry and better serve creators is kind of what they're saying. So with the Kickstarter plan, as a reminder, you get one product and you get on top of that, the community as a product plus unlimited access groups. You get unlimited emails, unlimited landing pages, unlimited funnels, just like all of that stuff. You get access to Kajabi's support and all of the training material through the Kajabi University and all of that stuff. You get Kajabi AI features and the Creator Studio, and you can access all of the add-ons that other Kajabi accounts can have as well, like the common Ninja widgets or the chatbot or things like that, more Creator Studio credits. So you really get all of that stuff as well. It's just you only get one product, and the big limit is you get 250 people on your email list. So it's called Kickstarter because it's to kick you off and get you started. And really, that's the big limiting factor. 250 people on your contact list is not very many. And as you are starting, it's really nice when you don't have a big list. You're starting to grow. You want to be able to make some sales. You want to get your presence online. It's really nice to have a low priced plan in Kajabi for this. And when you're choosing to start with a 30-day free trial, you can actually start into the Kickstarter plan. You don't have to start in the basic or growth or pro. You can start with this one. So Kajabi is giving you a really easy access point to get in at a low cost and get lots of benefits with the Kickstarter plan. So if that's sounding like a good option for you, if that's where you are with your business, then I would encourage you to head to my website, thecoachsupport.com/bonuses, and check out the bonuses that I give everyone who signs up with one of my referral links. As an affiliate of Kajabi, I get a commission for people who sign up through me, and so I give them some extra support and help. When you're starting off, this help really flattens the learning curve and can go a long way in helping you have a good experience with Kajabi. And that either means realizing that it's going to be what you want and work really well for you, or realizing that it's not the tool for you. It's great to figure that out within that first 30 days while you're still in the trial period where you haven't spent so much time or haven't spent any money yet committed to the platform. So this is what I do for people who sign up through my referral links. And if you are interested in trying out Kajabi, I would love to help you in this Kickstarter plan through that way. It's no cost to you. And it's a win-win for all of us. So I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for listening.